I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be doing Donna's nails, who is my mother-in-law. We are doing a sculpted reverse French set, so I hope you guys enjoy watching, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So I'm starting off with my prep, and I'm using the super scraper just to remove the excess cuticle that has grown down on the nail plate, and it removes honestly so much. I love using this tool. It has a pusher on one side and then the scraper on the other side. So a product that I really want to share with you guys is the dish. It is our new crystal rainbow coated dappen dish. It's gorgeous, it is huge, and it is so heavy so it's not going to tip up. I love using it. It's honestly so pretty. I love seeing it on my desk. So we do have these available now on the website, along with the monomer and also my brush that you can see me using just now to pour the monomer into my dappen dish. And yeah, as I said, everything will be linked below, and everything is from my website, which is glitterplanetuk.com, and you can use 5%, you can use my discount Ninja5 for 5% off. So I'm coming in, I've prepped the nails, I've applied my primer and everything like that, and I'm using Toasted Rose as my nail bed cover. So first off, I'm just doing a nail bed. We aren't extending these past the free edge because these nails are just going to be nice and short, but I'm just going to do as close to the free edge as possible, creating a nice kind of natural smile. We aren't doing anything like an elongated where the smile line goes super high, just keeping it natural and simple. So I apply one bead and then I apply my cuticle bead, and that is pretty much it for this process. So I'll let you guys watch that, and then I will pop back on the next step. So once I've finished applying my acrylic and everything has set, I move back to the first nail, and I'm just coming in with my 180 grit nail files, and I'm just refining that smile line. When I'm doing forms and reverse French, so I'm not extending the nail bed, this is the way that I like to do it, just because I find that sometimes the forms can get in the way when you are filing the smile line into place. So if you're just keeping it short and sweet, applying the nail bed and then applying the forms afterwards definitely works perfectly. So once I've finished filing the smile lines, I go ahead and dust off the excess and I apply the nail forms. So these forms are the Galactic Pro forms. They are the shorter ones that we have available on the website, perfect for salon sculpting and salon length nails, but also obviously, as you can see, you can do your longer length nails on those as well. They have a kind of a standard area where the form meets the underside of the nail, which means that if you have a high or a low hypernicum, you can just trim these to suit and fit your client where needed. Our infinity forms, however, do have a much deeper smile area, so if you have a high hypernicum, I can't speak, I swear to God my throat still is not better. If you have a low hypernicum, then that form's going to be suited better to you without much customizing, if any at all. I can use those no problem because, you know, I kind of need that for myself. And yeah, I love the infinity forms, but the Galactic Pro also are freaking bomb. Anyway, I'm coming in and I'm just sculpting the free edge now, and I'm just using Blizzard White, which is our white core acrylic powder from Glitter Planet. And obviously, if I haven't mentioned, the brush that I am using is the number 12 Bestie brush, which is now ruined. My sister came round and did her nails in my nail room. I told her a freaking 1,000 times, do not use my brush. Like, bitch, you bring your own or use this one that I have dedicated to yourself. Did she listen? No, she did not. And she used my brush, and now it's got a massive lump of acrylic in the middle of it. She says, I cleaned it. I'm like, really? I don't think so. Anyway, those things happen. She is now banned from the nail room, so good luck to her. Okay, so I'm just showing you me applying one of the, excuse me, this cough better go away, the Galactic Pro nail forms. So as you saw, I'm just rolling that form between my fingers to kind of form a nice C-curve on the nail form before even applying it, and that just helps with application. I'm then going to add those, I'm I'm then going to fit the form underneath the free edge, tilting downwards slightly or upwards, and then leveling out with the free edge and making sure that it's fit nice and snug as well. So that is exactly how I apply the forms, and then I just pinch together to where I want. And now I'm coming in with Blizzard White again. So I also sometimes, as you saw, I just applied primer against that free edge just to ensure that it was still primed after the nail had been kind of, you know, dusted off and touched a little bit and everything like that. So yeah, I'm just applying Blizzard White, sculpting that into position. I didn't pinch these nails. It's been such a long time that I've done a sculpted set, and I just didn't fancy pinching. So now that I've finished sculpting and the acrylic has set, I'm just coming in and removing those nail forms, and then I'm going to file. And to file, I'm going to use my ceramic medium bit from my website, and then I'll come in with the 180 grit files just to finish file and do the free edges and side walls. So once I've finished filing, I'm going to come in with super gloss, and I'm going to apply a nice layer over the entire set, and then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds and then come in with my cuticle oil, and I'll show you guys the final results. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I know 2 French sets in like the space of what, a week or so. Crazy. I know. I'm going to get back to some more elaborate designs very, very soon. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, this is the final result. I know that it's not perfect. It's beyond perfect. Beyond far from perfect. I see imperfections everywhere, but it's been a while. And when I say it's been a while, I mean like years since I have done French. Not gonna lie. But yeah, still looked bomb. And as always, guys, remember that you are bomb.com. Let us fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you got this, and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.